In the heart of the forest, where the sunlight beams, colors come alive like a painter's dreams. Leaves are swaying in the gentle breeze, nature's dance party beneath the trees. Join the colorful dance party, where nature's at its best. Butterflies and rainbows in a vibrant fest. The flowers sway to the rhythm of the earth, in this magical place where life finds its worth. Birds are singing with melodies so sweet. Their tunes are the rhythm for the dancing feet. The river whispers secrets as it flows, in this lively party where everything glows. Join the colorful dance party, where nature's at its best. Butterflies and rainbows in a vibrant fest. The flowers sway to the rhythm of the earth, in this magical place where life finds its worth. The sun sets the stage with a golden hue. Stars twinkle above in the midnight blue. Every creature joins in this grand parade, a celebration of life in the forest play. So come and dance in nature's embrace, feel the joy in this wondrous place. The colorful dance party will never end, in the heart of nature where we all transcend.